MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
The Nissan Sentra doesn't get as many splashy headlines as the traditional leaders of the compact sedan segment, but it has proven to be highly competitive with both the Toyota Corolla and the Honda Civic ever since it replaced the Datsun 210 way back in the early 1980s. So let's find out if an updated 2024 Sentra is a better value than ever. The Sentra certainly has grown up over the years. Having long ago ceded entry-level duties to the Versa, it now packs mid-size car levels of space and features, and it's still a sedan we appreciate. Now in its 8th generation, which has been around since 2020, this 2024 Sentra shows updated styling with improved tech and even some powertrain enhancements. Styling updates start with modernized fascias, the front featuring a continued evolution of Nissan's V-Motion grille taking up a bit more real estate, yet with less trim around it. Corner air intakes go from big L shapes to slimmer verticals, while headlights keep the same basic lens shape but with upgraded internals. There are new wheel designs in either 16 or 18 inches, this top-level SR getting 18s along with dark chrome trim and a unique rear lower fascia. Nissan Safety Shield 360 is standard and includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, intelligent forward collision warning, and lane departure warning with many additional driver assist systems available. Nothing changes with the Sentra's naturally aspirated inline four-cylinder rated at 149 horsepower and 146 pound-feet of torque. But the CVT that's attached to it is improved with smoother simulated shifts and adds to its already commendable fuel economy performance with the addition of an automatic stop-start system. Government fuel economy ratings in the SR go from 28 city, 37 highway, and 32 combined to 30 city, 38 highway, and 33 combined. That means a better energy impact score of 9 barrels of yearly oil use and 4.5 tons of CO2 emissions. For more numbers of importance, it was off to Mason-Dixon Dragway. We felt this 2-liter i4 could use a little more pep in its step when it arrived 4 years ago, and we still do. But even though on a very hot test day it was a second slower than before, 10.4 seconds to 60 is not that pokey for a fuel-efficient commuter car. The quarter mile was equally sleepy at 17.8 seconds and 81 miles per hour. But the transmission updates did improve power transfer with a more natural automatic transmission feel and less noticeable high revving. Just as before, the Sentra was quite lively through our handling course. Thanks to its sport-tuned multi-link rear suspension, light steering with good response, and fairly neutral overall balance. We found very little oversteer or understeer, with a bit less body roll our only want. Braking performance also remains strong. 110-foot panic stops from 60 are very good for any car. Inside, our Sentra SR changes are minor, which is a good thing as it was already a very comfortable and functional space with lots of room to spread out for a compact. Elements such as the flat-bottom steering wheel and Z-inspired round air vents are there to give the Sentra an added touch of sportiness. A dash-top 7-inch touchscreen remains standard, but like our SR, most trims don this 8-inch version. SR trim also gets upgraded stitching for 24, and the middle SV level joins SR by adding 8-speaker Bose premium audio, a round view monitor, and turn signal exterior mirrors as part of a very reasonably priced premium package. Speaking of dollars and cents, the base Sentra S starts at $22,320, SV at $23,250, and top SR begins at only $25,410. Indeed, the Sentra is a lot of modern, comfortable, safe, fuel-efficient car for the money, no matter how you slice it. Finding real value in the automotive world is harder than ever, but we believe the 2024 Nissan Sentra remains a good place to start and end your search.